all match and they're neutral.
Yeah.
And
What are you doing, Fred?
Because I have those cubby shelves. Those
Yeah.
cubby shelves everywhere.
Yeah.
It has made the biggest difference in making my place look more.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is actually Fred's gift. You thought it was for me. This is for Fred.
Oh, what is he in
He's
the bag?
in it. I don't know quite what he's doing, but he's like,
He got inside of the
Oh
bag.
no, he's not. He's outside now.
he's exploring.
This
Are you enjoying that, Fred?
This is his best day.
He's having a great time.
He is.
Hello, Fred. Hello. He's very cute. Fred. Hi, Fred. What are you doing? He's like, why is everybody paying attention to me?
Our Fred, are you Merry Christmas, Fred? You're easy to please. You really are. Oh no! Okay, that's the end of that one.
What did he do? Did he bust through it?
Yeah.
He went for it.
Oh, that's funny. Hang on, I just gotta monetize this one.
Yeah, I don't know about you guys, but I'm hungry. Can I?
Oh yeah, let's do the sausage
Yeah,
roll. Heck yeah.
I already heated the oven, so it's